Om Namah Shivaya. Now we are going to practice neck movements. ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಯ ಚಾಲನ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ. ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. Bring your both the palms and the waist. Keep your spine upright. ಬೆನ್ನು ನೇರವಾಗಿರಲಿ. Now we will begin the practice with the exhalation. Complete exhalation and bend the neck. Press the chin. Now inhale slowly and gently, raise your head up. ಉಸಿರು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಗಿಸೋಣ. Breathe as much as possible. Exhale deeply, ದೀರ್ಘ ಉಸಿರು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಾಗಿ. Press your chin. Awareness on the breathing and the movement. Inhale, raise your head up. ಉಸಿರು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Feel the stretching of the throat muscles. Exhale deeply and bend your neck forward. Press the chin. Inhale slowly, raise your head up. Bend your neck back. ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಗಿಸಿ. Exhale slowly, bend the neck forward. Press the chin. Inhale, ಉಸಿರು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾಗಿಸೋಣ. Very slowly bend your neck back. Exhale, slowly and deeply bend the neck. Neck bending now. Inhale, slowly raise your head up. Exhale, bend your neck right so that the right ear touching the right shoulder. Inhale, slowly come to center. Bend your neck left so that the left ear try to touching the left ear shoulder. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, bend your neck right. Inhale, come to center, bend the neck left. Inhale, slowly come to center, bend the neck right. Inhale, slowly come to center, exhale, bend the neck left. Inhale, slowly come to center, exhale, bend the neck right. Inhale, come to center, exhale, bend the neck left. Now inhale slowly and gently come to center. Turn the neck now very slowly with exhalation so that the chin is aligned with the shoulder. Now inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, slowly and gently turn the neck left. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, slowly turn the neck right. Inhale, slowly come to center. Exhale, turn the neck left. Inhale, slowly come to center, turn the neck right. Inhale, slowly come to center, turn the neck left. Now inhale, slowly come to center, bend your neck rotation. Now very slowly and gently rotate the neck with inhalation, raise your head up. Exhale slowly and gently, bend the neck down. Inhale, raise your head up, bend your neck forward. Exhale. Now inhale, come up and exhale deeply. Rotate your neck in the clockwise, slowly inhale up. Awareness of the breathing and the neck movement. Exhale. Inhale slowly up. Exhale slowly drop. Now reverse. Inhale slowly, raise your neck up. Exhale, slowly drop the neck. Inhale up. Exhale, drop the neck. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, slowly drop the neck. Inhale up and slowly exhale. Now slowly stop the practice and gently come up. Release the arms. Now observe the changes. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನೆಕ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್, ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಯ ಚಾಲನ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಯ ಮಾಂಸಖಂಡಗಳ ಸಡಿಲತೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುವುದು. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಳೆಗಳ ಸವೆತದಿಂದ ಉಂಟಾಗುವ ಸರ್ವೈಕಲ್ ಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಲೋಸಿಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಒಂದು ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಯ ಒಂದು ಮೂಳೆಗಳ ಸವೆತವನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮದಿಂದ ದೂರಗೊಳಿಸಬಹುದು. ಓಂ ನಮಃ ಶಿವಾಯ.